welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now so you become a baddie. I am Bubbles, the baddie, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 6'9" TEKASHI inspired wig. And that is the reason why I have on my bonnet, y'all. I'm going to install this wig tomorrow. I know y'all probably looking like, this is just a regular black basic bonnet. So y'all see, let me make sure y'all see. Wavy X collection, go shop, y'all. Yeah, I'm super excited to be doing this. I wanted to do this in June for Pride Month because that would have been lit, but like I had graduation and stuff, so I need to go ahead and get this hair video done or whatever, so that's why I'm doing it now. Okay, so this wig is inspired by TEKASHI's girlfriend. I think that's his girlfriend still. Her name is Jay, and she did it look like this. I'm not even sure when she did it, but I thought it was really cute, and I was like, I want to try. So the only things that are gonna be different about mine is I think she used a little bit more colors. Yeah, she definitely used more colors and like different shades, but I did the shades that I want to do. And also she toned her wig, but I don't want to tone it because I feel like the bright blonde will like make the colors pop out more, if that makes sense to y'all. So yeah, hopefully I do this correctly. This is my first time ever down here. Anyways, yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we do that, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
1, 2, 3.
What you will need: a dye brush, dye, a mixing bowl, rubber bands, and finally some hair. Today I will be using hair from Lumiere. First, make your part. Make sure that it is straight and make sure that it's exactly the way you want it, because this is going to determine how your color pattern looks in the end. Now use your hot comb to set your part into place. Now you'll use your rubber bands to part off the hair. Depending on how many colors you have, you will part this many sections in the front of your hair. I use spaces because I didn't want the colors to be next to each other. Now you're just going to brush it out onto the hair. I feel like it was easiest to start from the top and work your way to the bottom. Okay, so this last step is optional, but I'm using aluminum foil to wrap the hair in just to help the process go a little bit quicker. Keep repeating these steps until you have went through all the colors.
Eventually.
Okay, baddies, so I'm done doing the dye. I'm just gonna tell you why some of my mind, like tips that I would give y'all. Do not put this in your sink, because I'm sitting here thinking, oh, it's hair dye, it's not gonna mess up the sink. It totally messed up the sink, so now I'm gonna have to buy a new sink. So you have to like this video because I have to buy a new sink now. I don't have a wig head, so I couldn't like be as organized as people with a wig head would be, but be careful when you're brushing the dye on the hair, because if you flick it, then it's gonna go everywhere. Like I have some on my socks. Luckily didn't get on my clothes, but some did get on the wig. So like the parts that got dyed, that's not supposed to be dyed, like the other part of hair, I'm gonna have to bleach those parts to get that stuff off. Make sure that you're being like consistent with your brush strokes, because if not, then you're gonna have to go back and make some darker and then make the whole thing darker. Oh, when you have on your gloves, either you have to change glove many times, or you have to wipe off your gloves, like wipe off the dye off your gloves, because when I was doing the blue section, green and some yellow got on it from before. So yeah, make sure you wipe off your gloves, because anybody got time to be changing gloves right now. It's the pandemic, we need our gloves, so just wipe them off in between each color. Oh yeah, please comb out your hair before you dye it. I did not comb out my hair, and I still got a lot of tangles, so I'm gonna have to comb it out once I rinse it. And then yeah, between every color I will put the brush in a cup of water, swirl it around so it'll get the other color off. But yeah, so I'm super excited for this wig, y'all. Like, I really am. I think it's gonna look good. But now I'm gonna wait, and then I'm gonna come back, rinse it out. Here I'm just rinsing and conditioning the hair. I condition the hair because, you know, it lost moisture by being dyed. But you can also shampoo it, and you can use whichever shampoo or conditioner you want to.
Tomorrow.
Okay, Betty, so after hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, I'm finally done. I'm still not really done, but it's time for my hair appointment, so I'm ready to go get it done and see how this looks on me. Hopefully it turns out right. I know you want to see the wig, but I'm not going to show y'all. If y'all want to see the wig, y'all got to keep watching, boo-boo. What you thought this was? You thought I was going to let you see it? I never seen the thumbnail, but you can't see it right now. You got to wait. You got to wait. So, yeah, I'm about to get my hair done. Hopefully it looks really, really good. I'm super excited, and yeah, I can't wait. Nigga stiffy, nigga get the stiffy, 6'9" who, baby girl, y'all, y'all, please, lie to me and tell me I don't look good. Y'all, I'm so happy about my hair. Like, it looked good. I know my hair was gonna look good because Quilly did it, and Quilly always like blesses my head, but like, Quilly, you didn't have to go this hard. Like, y'all, I'm so excited, like, for so many reasons. Okay, first of all, this is my first time with like different colors in my hair. This is my first time with layered hair. He cut it. My first time with like professionally curled hair. I never did curls in my hair like this. Like, I tried to, but I couldn't get it like this because I don't know what I was doing. So yeah, this is so exciting for me, and this looks so good. Obviously it's not exactly like the picture, and I didn't want it to be exactly like the picture, but it looks great. Like, I love it, bro, and I'm so glad I didn't tone it because like this looks perfect to me. I'm super happy. Then after he did my hair, you see how he slayed my freaking eyebrows. He was like, girl, you need your eyebrows waxed, and I was like, and then he did them for me, and I was like, you want to do my lashes too? And he put them on, and I was like, thank you, because y'all know I be fucking up sometimes. So yeah, y'all need to go check Quilly out. Like, I keep telling y'all this over and over again. When is y'all gonna learn? Like, get crowned by Quilly, because baby, every time he do my hair, he does a great job, and he's super affordable. Like, you get your bang for your buck, honestly, like, for real. But I did a thing, like, y'all, this looks so good. This hair is from Lumiere, and it is a 13x4 frontal, and it is in 24 inches. Wait, let me put the camera down so y'all can see where it comes at on me. It's 24 inches. Y'all, you see the body. I'm so like psyched. Oh my god. And like, he has some of the highlights with color. Like, do you see this? My hair too hard. I'm not even going to take this out. Like, that's not. And when he was doing my hair, he was saying how I felt good. Like, he put the curler on 450. He was like, bad 613 here. It like burn and like start tingling when you put it on high heat. Did it start tingling? No, baby girl. So that's a good sign. He barely had to pluck it because I don't know if it was pre-plucked, but he didn't have to do much plucking. Like, he literally did a couple of plucks on this side. That was it. But I'm like so in love with my hair, y'all. I hope this inspired y'all to do a rainbow wig. Y'all can do it for Pride or whatever day y'all want to, because the fuck, y'all can do whatever y'all want to. But this is so cute. 6'9" who, baby? 6'9" who? Bubbles. And I'm gonna be, what am I gonna be? I want 8. Because well, 17 was always my lucky number. But yeah, like, I'm killing this. Like, boo. So cute. I love it. Okay, y'all, so I'm really happy with my results. I had some spots where like I got dye on some pieces, but you literally can't even see it. Like, I'm just such a perfectionist, and so I tried to like bleach the parts where I had like different colors at, and for the most part I got everything. It was just like 2 pieces that I couldn't get, but I can't even see them right now, so that's a good thing. I love it. I want y'all to see the green though. Like, I gotta see all these. I just want to know if y'all are as in love as I'm in love, because I am in love. in love, in love, in love, in love. Like, this is so pretty. And who you know? I'll wait. Cause who you know, with 613 hair, with like color, layers, curls, body. Who you know? Who you know? I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. That look is good with it. Side part, baby. I ain't had a side part in a minute too. Like, I just can't get over it. Like, I'm not trying to be, I tell y'all all the time, I'm never trying to be cocky. I just feel good. You know, you look good, you feel good, and that's how I feel. And like, okay, so y'all got to let me know in the comments how y'all think I did on a scale of 1 to 10 versus, you know, the inspo pic. And like I said, I did not want it to be exactly like that. You know, I didn't want it to be super toned, and obviously my highlights are like smaller. I don't know what you call this, highlights, I don't know. They're smaller, but I'm totally happy with that. But yeah, let me know how I did 1 to 10 in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not already, so you become a baddie and see me slay more looks, okay? Make sure that y'all follow Quilly, because y'all need to see the looks that he be doing in my head, like, and other people's hair too, because, you know, he do other people's hair too. But y'all need to see, y'all need to go watch his talent, and if y'all local, go book with him. And baby, like this video, because y'all, it took me so long. Like, I literally have not slept. Not even capping, I have not slept. I was up doing his hair, and after, like, I was up doing his hair, then I pre-edited, went to my appointment, came back from my appointment, and it's right now. Haven't slept. So y'all gotta like this video for that, and also because I messed up my sink, I'm gonna get beaten for that. So y'all gotta like this video. And baddies, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.